Hello, 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 hello. Welcome to the Kool Zone. First off, I would like to thank everyone for letting us get to that big 600. And if you are a first-time viewer, let me tell you something. I got a special treat for you today. And if you like what you see, please do at the end leave that comment. And if you would like to see more videos from the Kool Zone, please do subscribe to the Kool Zone. All right, let's get to this. Right here, we have our turkey burger, and we have our bacon, we have our pineapples, and we have our red onion. This is going to be an Hawaiian waffle burger, and let me tell you, it is going to be amazing. Let's get to this video. Stay tuned.
Let me show you how to make your body go crazy. Let me show you how, yeah. Let me show you how, yeah. Let me show you how to make your body go crazy. Let me show you how, let me show you how. Get in my bag, get in my bag. My swag different, I brag. I bag a bad bitch, bag a bad.
Alright, so first off, I want to start with the bacon. Now, with this bacon, don't be afraid to let that baby just sit up in there. Be one with the bacon. You know what I mean? Alright. We're going to do 3 at a time. Stay tuned.
All over the place. We gon' lay it down. You got a smile on your face. You okay for now, but 1 and 2 o'clock, girl. Yeah, we gon' play around some more. Let me show you how to make your body go crazy. Let me show you how, yeah. Let me show you how, yeah. Let me show you how to make your body go crazy. Let me show you how.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we have it all set up, ready to go. This Hawaiian waffle burger is going to be amazing. Alright, you already know what it's time for. It's time to build this baby up. Stay tuned.
We pick up where we left off, lift off, touchdown, touch her body, oh so soft. Hands down low, she goes off. Give a D till she goes off. I wake her back up, then we goes hard. A 5'8" nigga, but I'm so tall, so tall, so tall. Sheets off, cause she soaked them up. That's what happens, girl, when you open up. Chill, a little bit of love, a little bit of love, a little bit of love, a little bit of love. She climaxed last night with a fine ass, and I'm back to the studio, and I'd rather rewind that, cause I had a great time and I find that I feel real good when you're here with me. Your aura, girl, when your energy got me on that dependency. I take a break and she calling me.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, this right here is the finished product. This, ladies and gentlemen, is my Hawaiian waffle burger. And let me tell you, it looks amazing. Alrighty, if you like what I've been doing and you like this video, please do subscribe to the channel. We've got so much more to come, and the journey is going to be amazing. Big shout out to my homie, Legend Nova, all about the kicks. Y'all sneakerhead, please do go check him out. And my homie, I Am Chase Fire, please check him out also. He's got an album on iTunes, Spotify, all platforms. The album is amazing. Alright, that's enough of that. Please do subscribe. Kool Zone out.